Let's take a minute and talk about a new feature in Microcat Next Generation called Service and Repairs. We're going to select the Tacoma from the history list, decode the VIN, and now above the graphic index we have a button that says Service and Repairs. Now what Service and Repairs does is it merges VIN-specific catalog data with VIN-specific service menuing data and allows you to look up parts by repair type. So we'll click on that and you'll see we have two different categories on this particular vehicle. We have repair and replace. That's your hard parts like a water pump, head gasket, air conditioning compressor. And then we have services, scheduled services, special conditions, Toyota Care, etc. It'll look up the parts for those scheduled maintenances too. Let's go back and let's say the technician is standing in front of us and he gives you the VIN for the Tacoma and he says, I need to replace both head gaskets. Well, that's a hard repair, so we go to repair and replace. And it's in the engine section, obviously, because they're head gaskets. So we open up that engine section and we have all these engine repairs that are merged with the catalog and the repair data. So it says replace cylinder head gaskets both. We click on that. Well, let's say it's a basic operation, and that quickly we have every single part that this tech needs to replace the head gaskets on this vehicle. Seals, gaskets, everything that, and it matches the Toyota repair manual exactly, which is kind of nice. It protects you. You can also see pictures if there's any photographs, like the seal here. We can look at that, and there's multiple, pictures of it for scale. So at the bottom, underneath it, we also have oil disposal, Freon, shop supplies, oil, coolant, everything that's needed for this repair. Now, because it's all inclusive and it's everything that's needed, if we click on the top icon here, we can put this all in the shopping cart with a single click. So if I click it, you'll see now that we put 11 parts into the cart. We can access the cart and we can finalize the order, which would be putting it on an RO, printing it, saving it, charging it out, whatever. So your service and repair is a new way of looking up parts. Instead of looking up the part, you look up the repair once you get the VIN in, and then it'll merge that catalog data with that service menu data and show you everything needed to fix the vehicle.